Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a new and a really nice Dollar Tree haul. And I did buy a whole bunch of new goodies and I'm really excited. So let's get started. The very first thing I picked up, I needed this because I'm going to be making a lot of different recipes and sauces and meatloaf and sauce you put over sandwiches, all different types of stuff. And I needed this brown sugar, but this is the light Domino's brown sugar. So I got the box of that for that purpose. And then, oh my God, I found this limited edition. And you could tell it's from Christmas. The Sugar Cookie Toast Crunch. Oh my goodness. I don't even like Cinnamon Toast Crunch itself. I like, I'm more into Golden Grahams. But I don't know. I thought maybe somebody in my house would love to eat this. Sugar Cookie Toast Crunch. And then you see like the Christmas characters. It says limited edition. So that's a name brand cereal. Then I picked up this bad boy. Look how big this one is. It's super, super big. It's the family size. And I never even knew they had Elf cereal. You know, like the movie Elf. This is the Elf cereal. Family size. Look at that. I was like, wow. Are you kidding me? So I got that. Then I got this big box. Family size. Of the Hershey's Kisses cereal. Hershey's Kisses. I love the box. Look at the packaging of it. Look at this. I've seen this before in my supermarket. I just never bought it. But this is the big family size. And I figured for $1, why not? And I just love the gray color of the box. I don't know. It's really nice. All right. Now I got this one. Excuse me. Allergies. I'm over here sneezing. Okay. This is a Cocoa Puffs, the Brownie Crunch Cocoa Puffs. And this is, like I said, they're name brand cereals. And then I bought this big, gigantic family size box of the Minions Vanilla Vibe. The Minions cereal. I love Minions. So cute. So I got that. All this stuff from the Dollar Tree, guys. That's right, Dollar Tree. Oh my God, I bought a whole bunch of stuff, guys. A lot of new things. Then I found the slides over there. They do have gray and they do have a black, but I didn't really like those. I decided to pick up these bold pink. Now, these ain't the super strongest, but they're very flexible. They're soft. They feel very comfortable. These are good for bumming around the house, going into your yard, you know, just sitting out front of your home or the yard or, you know, just doing basic stuff or when you're mopping or something. You don't want to get your feet wet or dirty, whatever. I just decided to pick up these cheap pink shoe slides. And then I got these paper plates. Super cute. It's got like the drinks all around it. Really nice. Then I found this nice shower curtain. It's like a different print. It's like a whole bunch of really bold flowers that I've never seen. I've never seen this print before. So I decided to pick this up. Really nice little thin shower curtain. And they don't last forever, but they're still good. And then I got the teal green. Like teal baby blue, I mean, like Easter color. Teal, like a mint, it's like a mint color. Slides. And I just like the pattern of it. So I figured I'll give these a try. You know, just to bum around the house. Stuff like that. Then I got 2 things of Baker's Choice hamburger buns. Got a bunch of those. I just got 2 of those. Because they had one that was like really dark brown and it looked like it was burnt. So I picked these 2. These are the only 2 left and they're like the bright ones. Are very, very soft. And these are very, very soft and delicious, guys. So if you never tried these for $1, get them. Then I got this box right here of a Detox Boost tea. Detox Boost tea. I'm trying to see what's on here. This is the Detox Boost tea. I know it says it has 20 tea bags. I'm not sure, but it's a detox tea. Okay, so I got that. Check this out. super beautiful. This is a tablecloth. Now, these are just plastic tablecloths, but oh my God, look at that. Very glittery, holographic, party type, beautiful. I love this tablecloth. Look at that. Really, really nice. I grabbed one of those. Then I found this beautiful one. Look at this. It's like a rainbow. Super rainbow, metallic. Gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. These are perfect for parties, Mardi Gras, New Year's, and whatever. Birthday parties, quinceaneras, you know, whatever. Really, really nice. Oh my God. Then I got some more paper plates. I got these beautiful blue ones with the pineapples on it. Oh my God. Look how beautiful they are. Super pretty. Nice, but they're thin. You don't get too much of them. There's probably like maybe 10 in here, maybe. Some nice paper plates. Then I got these paper plates with the fruits around the edges. They look like that. They have another type of print too, but I didn't buy those. Got some more of these aluminum little pans. You get 3 of them in here. This is good to throw in your broiler or your oven for making small portions of stuff. So I got that. I got another tea. This is the immunity boost for your immune system. So I decided to pick that up. And this one is from Herbal Recipes. No, Herbal Helpers. So I think this is Global brand, I believe. Yeah. So that was interesting to find. Then I picked up a little dish soap here. This is the Palmolive. This is the Fresh and Clean. It's like a little blue one. Got that one. I found these really cute stickers. Oh my God. You get like 100 and something in here. And yeah, look at that. You get all kinds of I don't want to open everything because there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. But these are good. They're so cute. They got stuff to put on your calendar, your planners, whatever you're going to do, cards, whatever. So I got this cute one with the dogs. Then I found this it looks glittery eyeshadow. Oh man, don't tell me I broke one. It looks like one of them is broken, but it's like glittery. Really nice shimmery eyeshadow. Yeah, it looks like one's broken, but that's okay. I can still use it. And then I picked up another one of these cute stickers. Oh my God, I really love this one. This is the one with cats. They have like unicorns and mermaids, and they have one with like a cheetah print, but I love this cats. Look how cute these cats are. Oh my God, I love cats. Cats are so cute. Look at the paw prints. See, and it comes with like all different types of stickers for your planners, you know, all kinds of cute things. So I had to pick this up because, like I said, I love cats. So I just couldn't pass that up. Then I bought a 3-pack, guys. They have 3-pack of adult face mask. Now, I don't know what all the prints are. I just seen the outside print. But you get 3 adult face masks. So I picked up this print, and then, like I said, there's 2 more in there. I don't know what they look like. They're different kinds. I got another assortment of eyeshadows. Shimmery. Is that the packaging, or is it me? I don't know. It looks the same as the other one. Like, it looks like it might be broken. I'm not really sure. But it's very shimmery. This is from Wet n Wild. So they're like the little triangle shadows. Then I got this dish drying mat. It's very thick and soft. And you put it down. You could dry your dishes on there. It's got pineapples and the tropical fruits. Super, super cute. Then I got the seashell one. It's all white with just seashells. I just thought it was pretty. So I picked that up. Then I got another 3-pack mask. It's got like plaid. And then the other 2, I'm not sure. So it's not bad for $3-4. Then I picked up these cute little purses. It's got like the little string. And the print reminds me of the 80s. And then you get that, you know, zippers. And then you can unzipper that. Super, super cute. Then I picked up 2 bags. They look like this. They're dark blue. And it's got these beautiful prints on it. Like flowers. So I picked up 2 of those. because I thought I might have needed them to put the big cereals in, but they had the big bags at the Dollar Tree. So I was like, okay, cool. And then I got this purse. That's the only print that I've seen. It's the same thing. And then here's another eyeshadow. This is the Wet n Wild, but it's gold. Look how beautiful that is if you look up close. It's very shimmery. It reminds me of this Physicians Formula palette I've been using now. It's really glittery. Or I use Urban Decay, and it's very, very glittery. So that's beautiful. Then I picked up these 3 packs of cups. They do have a lot of nice cups and other stuff. I was going to grab them also, like shimmery with pineapples. And oh my goodness, I had to put them back. But I picked up these 3 packs of plates. One's dark blue, one's like this teal, like a mint green. And then the last thing I picked up was another 3-pack of adult face masks. You get the cheetah print, and then I don't know what the other 2 prints are. But yeah, you get 3 adult masks. So I thought that was cool. So yeah, I picked up all the stuff at the Dollar Tree, guys. Thanks for watching this quick Dollar Tree haul. And I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day, guys. Bye.